क्या मतलब? मिसकंसेप्शन क्या होता है?
My lord, he
आप कल को मिसकंसेप्शन में किसी को भी 302 के मुकदमे में फंसा देंगे?
No,
Both the parties are adult, both the parties understand, they are good and bad. There was misconception, therefore report was lodged. Whole police machinery was put into motion for the fault of the prosecutrix. इसकी कॉस्ट कौन भरेगा? एक ही शर्त पे इनको जमानत दे सकते हैं कि आप ट्रेनिंग।
Earlier bail application was withdrawn with the kind permission of this court, with the liberty to renew the prayer, my lord, once the investigation is complete. Now, my lord, on the last date of hearing, that was 17th of October 2022, this was withdrawn. Pursuant to which your lordship on 28th October 2022, my lord, the investment
हो गई।
my lord, she has not been examined.
क्या आया है?
My lord, my respectful submission is, this is a case, my lord, where both the parties were in a consensual relationship. And my lord, for some time it appears, my lord, there was some communication gap between the parties. And due to a fit of rage, my lord, she went and lodged this particular FIR, my lord.
Sure.
And later on, my lord, it transpired that there was some communication gap, and what she felt was that that the present applicant had betrayed her. Now later on, when the communication was, my lord, back between the parties, it was realized that he had met with an accident, and due to that, there was no communication between the parties.
So they have compromised their matter. Eh?
Before the
Compromise
trial,
हो गया?
compromise नहीं हुआ.
Affidavit before the trial court, my lord, that due to misconception of fact, I have lodged the FIR, my lord, and I have no objection with regard to the release of the
रिलीज ऑफ द बेल काय को फिर तो क्वेश्चन ऑफ एफआईआर लगा दीजिए। जब आपकी एफआईआर में ही गलती हो गई है आपसे तो क्वेश्चन ऑफ एफआईआर लगा दीजिए। दोनों मिलके जॉइंट एप्लीकेशन लगा दीजिए विद योर कंसेंट की। इस तरीके से तो नहीं चलेगा। कोर्ट कैन नॉट बी मेड व्हीकल टू फैसिलिटेट lodging of a FIR first, then compromising it, extracting some pound of flesh, and then appearing before the court saying साहब हमारा तो compromise हो गया, हमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। आपको आपत्ति नहीं है, इनको जमानत देते हैं, malicious prosecution का केस दर्ज करने को बोल देते हैं आपके खिलाफ।
This is not a case.
अरे नहीं काजी साहब, ऐसा है थोड़ा सा भाई, आपको कोई आपत्ति नहीं, आपसे गलती हो गई, आपने आरोपी को झूठा फंसा दिया, बिल्कुल ठीक बात है, आरोपी को जमानत दे देते हैं। लेकिन आपने जो झूठी रिपोर्ट दर्ज करी उसके लिए आपको खिलाफ malicious prosecution का मुकदमा दर्ज करा देते हैं।
Where said that कि I have falsely implicated the applicant due to misconception of fact and
misconception का क्या मतलब? misconception क्या होता है?
Lord, he
आप कल को misconception में किसी को भी 302 के मुकदमे में फंसा देंगे?
No, Lord, I'm not saying that.
अरे भाई 376 का मुकदमा कोई हल्का फुल्का धारा है क्या? कि मारपीट की धारा है, गाली गलौज की है कि misconception में लगा दिया आपने। 376 में भी अगर misconception होने लगा,
both the parties are adult, my lords, and
that is fine. That is what we want to understand. That both the parties are adult, both the parties understand, they are good and bad. There was misconception, therefore report was lodged. Whole police machinery was put into motion for the fault of the prosecutrix. इसकी कॉस्ट कौन भरेगा? ये जो पुलिस मशीनरी ने इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया, चार्जशीट पेश करी, आपके लिया, कितना पैसा खर्च होता है? वो किसी दूसरे अपराध की विवेचना करते हैं। एक ही शर्त पे इनको जमानत दे सकते हैं कि आपके खिलाफ malicious prosecution लॉन्च कर देते हैं। हाई कोर्ट इज कॉम्पिटेंट टू डायरेक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस ले लीजिए काजी साहब, पूछ लीजिए अपने पक्षकार से। हाँ,
my respectful submission.
नहीं, let him take instruction. Kabir Paul for the applicant. Rajkumar Pant, son of Shri Bhaiya Lal Pant.
Could this come next week, my lord?
It will come next week. लिखिएगा, submits that even prosecutrix is in agreement that under some misconception a report came to be lodged under section 376 IPC registering case crime number 174 of 2022 at police station Omti, district Jabalpur, for which investigation is complete. Charge sheet is filed before the trial court. Next one. When Shri Fakhruddin, next paragraph, Shri Fakhruddin Kaji admits that he has no, that complainant has no objection in granting bail to the applicant in as much as she had lodged a report with the police authorities under some misconception. Full stop. Next paragraph. This concept of misconception in lodging a report under section 376 IPC is beyond comprehension. Full stop. Either it is a case of coercion where prosecutrix lodged a report, extracted her pound of flesh, and now giving no objection to the bail, saying that it was lodged against some misconception, or it is a case of malafide and malicious prosecution. Full stop. Shri Kaji is given an offer that if bail is to be granted to the applicant, then prosecutrix is required to be prosecuted for the offences under malicious for the offence of malicious prosecution, seeks time to seek instructions. Prays for time to seek instruction. On his request, list next week.
Lord, my respectful submission would be, my lord, both the parties, my lord, they have had their share of marital problems. Now their intention is to reside together, my lord. My respectful submission is if this order sheet would be recorded, my lord, tomorrow there will be no reconciliation between the parties.
देखते हैं, चलिए देखते हैं.
सर दोनों का घर बस जाएगा, both are, my lord.
अरे घर तो बस जाएगा, लेकिन जो है कोर्ट को और कानून की जो मशीनरी है उसको जो आपने कष्ट दिया है.
Lord, my respectful submission would be in the trial if it is found, my lord, that
The ultimate aim of the law is to reach out to the culprit and do justice to the victim. It is not to see rehabilitation at the cost of the machinery. It is not that कि कल को आप 302 का मुकदमा लगाएंगे, hostile हो जाएंगे, बोल देंगे नहीं हमने गलत देख लिया था. ठीक है,
Lord,
चलिए,
these
next week आने दीजिए.
नंबर के श्री आशीष प्रजापति